So we're about to shoot for the channel.
Yeah.
Hey guys. Today, this premium babe, the model of the family, Melanie Princess.
The queen, the tall black queen.
Aww,
Is
you
my
love the
twinning?
queen. And they don't see on the normal day.
We dey fight, die. Hey.
Two cataracts.
I'm always separating their fights. Madam.
Yeah.
So let's get to started, you know?
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Let's do this.
You look like you're gonna expose picture, David.
Oh, so fabulous.
Oh yeah, we are recording, no?
Hey, wanted to upload this thing. Okay. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Yeah.
If this is your first time, you have to follow us, subscribe. The button will be
right
below.
here. Yeah.
Yes, and then if you are an old timer, our lovers,
Yeah.
our fans, our ACs,
Yeah. Our family.
we are so grateful that you came back
Welcome
to watch
back.
me, because you already know her. For me,
Yes. She has taken over my channel. I don't understand what's going
yes,
on.
so you'll be seeing me.
You guys, welcome back to the channel once again. It's your girl Dumebi. So today I have a special guest, my beautiful little sister Oluchi, aka Premium Babe.
Hey, God, that one time I said it though. That one time.
As a model, she said as a model, because she's very tall and slim, and you know her skin is popping, and she has like the most sweetest, beautiful smile, they placed her in a category called premium. You understand? So I just nicknamed her Premium Babe. Did I do bad?
Since then, she have been having me.
Finally, you guys, please welcome her in the comment section, because it's been a while I've been wanting her to come on the channel, but my sister is very camera shy. So she's doing me the honor today. Today we're going to be playing a game called This or That. So let's just get right into it, guys. So I'll just be asking and then we'll be answering. So we're going to be choosing between two options. So the first question here is cat or dog?
Cat or dog? We've had a cat before, but I think I prefer dogs because they are very loyal. I know, but cats, I can live with the both of them, but I think I prefer dogs.
I'll go for cats because cats are basically divas. So yeah, I like dogs too. Diva. I like dogs too, but if I will go for dogs, I'd go for, you know, those tiny, not chihuahuas. Chihuahuas are not really pretty. No. But you know those really pocket dogs, that be house dogs or parlor dogs, what they call them? Those tiny ones. Hair. Yeah, that you can just dress very in cute little outfits and then, you know, just hold them like this and put them in your purse. Those kind of dogs. They're basic. I think that's probably why I like cats, because they're portable, you know. So for me, I'd say cats. So the second question here says stuffed animals or dolls?
Definitely stuffed animals. When I was in school, I had one particular stuffed animal for 4 years. The whole 4 years.
Yeah, even me too, stuffed animals. Although when I was growing up, I used to have a doll called a Belle.
Yes,
one black, very black doll like that.
Looking.
You're mad.
Oh my
God. Jesus, this girl, I hate you. Okay, number 3, text messages or call?
Definitely text message. If you know me, you should know I do most of voice notes because I can't. I think the both of them know.
And she's too cheap to call. She's too cheap to call. She will not load her phone to call. So text messages. I think me to text messages, especially if it's like someone really special to me. You know, I'm talking of if it's boy. So that I can always go back and read. Okay. Number 4, love or money?
Money. I would say that now, but my sisters will tell you that I feel like love instead of money. But money.
So what changed it?
Being able to buy something of my own and not think, hey, my account balance is red, oh.
I know that feeling. Love or money for me? I would say love because I can make my own money. Excuse me, independent women in the building. But love or money? Maybe money. I don't know. I don't have any answer. I'm sorry.
Where there's money, there's love.
That makes sense. Because when you're not hungry and broke, you can fall in love easily. Okay, so number 5 says book or movie.
Movie.
Movie
Definitely
too. Movie too. If it's a book, I'll be too distracted. That's how I really
What's your
want novel.
best movie?
Bring It On, or Legally Blonde, or all the other cheerleading movies. Like,
Mine is Parent Trap.
are you serious?
Yes.
Anyway, I know you like that movie, but that
I
much.
love that movie anytime, any day.
Okay, so number 6 says comedy or horror.
Horror.
We're a family of horror movies.
Oh, yes.
We're a family of horror movies. The questions are written here just in case you see this moving around. Okay, so number 7 says singing or dancing. Singing.
Dancing. I don't have the voice she
Dancing.
has.
I never see you dance.
Because I don't dance in front of people. I do it in my own time. Maybe in the bedroom. When people sing in the bedroom, I dance in the bedroom.
Are you serious? What kind of dance?
And then when I'm cooking.
I dance anytime I'm cooking.
But wait, when you're cooking, it's gospel music you play.
No, most times it's dance.
And slow
And then when
love
I
songs.
see people coming, that's if is, you know. But if it's with my earpiece, I'm dancing.
Is it funny how she's my sister, but I've never really seen her dance? The next question is phone or computer?
Phone. I can carry my phone anywhere, so my phone. And I don't have a laptop, so phone.
Okay. Phone or computer? For me, because I'm an influencer, I'd say computer. Because that's
She'll
where
say the both of them. Because
the
she's
both of them.
always got the both of them at the same time.
Yeah, I do that. I multitask. Okay. So, number 9, frozen yogurt or ice cream?
Ice cream.
Frozen yogurt? No. Ice cream. When I remember Cold Stone. Hey.
Cold Stone.
The stone that is cold. Okute Juroyi. That is the Igbo translation of Cold Stone. Then, money or fame?
Fame. Funny enough. I always say this. I want to be able to, at one point in my life, walk into a room and everybody will stand up.
Oh, wow.
Always.
So that's your dream.
That's my dream.
So I have a question for you. Why are you not shy if you want to be famous?
I don't know.
She's so shy. Even me, for me, in front of that is her sister. She's shy. But she wants to be famous. Better go and rethink that dream. Me, money, please. When you are famous and you don't have money,
But
it doesn't make sense.
they did not say money gets you anywhere. They say connection gets you anywhere. The
What's the connection?
connection you
Do you know
have.
the amount of connection
Get you
money
anywhere.
alone can bring you when you are rich? Do you know how people want to be your friend?
Okay, imagine a name now like Sani Abacha. He's dead. Even if he's his great grandson that goes anywhere and say, "Oh, I'm Sani Abacha," I'm Sani Abacha's son. Doors will open. It's not the
Money,
money.
money, money. Let me be able to live large. You only live once. Which dirty fame? Okay. Number 11 says piercings or tattoos. Piercings.
Tattoos. Tattoos.
Really?
This second ear hole I have closed 3 times. I kept opening it again. I prefer tattoos. I've not done it yet. But I prefer
Piercings anytime, any day. I have 4 piercings on each ear.
tattoos. Yeah, she does.
Then I don't have any body piercings. I'm a child of God. I want to get one on my nose, but I think I'll do that when I'm married, so that, you know, we're still trying to get husband.
Yes.
If I have nose piercing, they might just be
Ah.
like, this guy is not responsible.
Say she have spoiled finish.
You know? But
Child of the world.
as in. The next question here says sandals or sneakers?
Sandals.
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 My fashion style, especially when it comes to footwear, is lazy and comfort.
Exactly.
Comfort.
I don't want to be wearing that sneakers and then there will be too much sun and my leg is burning inside.
I'm telling you. Number 13 says shower or tub. Tub.
Tub. Ah, tub.
Tub. I just want to be able to just put like my warm water with bubbles, you know, a bubble that
Yes.
just relax. Oh,
Enjoy yourself.
you know, feel pampered. That kind of thing. Then number 14 says Facebook or Twitter.
Facebook.
I never
like,
go on Twitter.
I swear, years back I opened Twitter and then I closed it because I knew that something was going on. So
Facebook, hands down. Number 15 says Instagram or WhatsApp. This one is hard.
This one is hard because Instagram is very fun. Then your data is burning. But your WhatsApp, you know, every contact that is close to you, you have it there. You can chat. So I think I'll say for my data's sake, WhatsApp.
For data's sake. Okay, for the sake of my career as an influencer, I'd say Instagram. Instagram allows me to reach a wider range of people, and then anybody that can't reach me on WhatsApp can always DM me on Instagram anyway. So yeah. Number 16 says Snow White or Cinderella.
Cinderella.
Snow White.
Cinderella.
Snow White, because Snow White didn't get to do nothing. She just lay there looking pretty, waiting for them to come and give her the kiss of life. And then she had 7 dwarves tending to her every need. But Cinderella had to suffer, you know that?
I don't need to die to find love.
Snow White wasn't there technically.
She died. Come on, Apple. If they will kill you is with Apple, no.
But Cinderella, you'll not be cleaning after your wicked stepmother. There's a truck passing, guys. So number 17 says pasta or pizza. Let's say it together.
Pizza.
Unanimous. Okay. So number 18 says Scooby-Doo or Tom and Jerry.
Tom and Jerry.
Scooby-Doo.
Tom and Jerry.
Scooby-Doo. Okay. Number 19 says manicure or makeover. Makeover, like makeup, hair. The manicure,
makeover,
like,
please. Makeover.
I've never really been a nail person. If they had said massage,
yes,
or makeover, I might have chosen massage. Finally,
I'd have chosen manicure, but that's just they're just doing your nails. I want a total transformation.
So makeover here.
Yeah.
Number 20 says spa or gym. Spa. Duh.
Spa, please.
Duh.
Gym, okay.
Gym for to go and suffer myself.
Hasn't it?
The Mr. London, we have not recovered from that one.
I swear, please. Spa.
Okay. Number 21 says a cruise or a romantic retreat package.
Hey, I pray. I will pick the romantic, but I don't yet have boyfriend.
Boo of the boolless. Please, my sister is boolless. If you're watching this video and you're an eligible bachelor, please come and help us.
Oh my God! But yes, definitely the romantic getaway when that happens.
Romantic getaway anytime, any day, man.
I
Like
swear.
I can just see myself. Okay. Number 22 says invent something that will make you rich or save the whole world population from hunger.
Please invest something that make me rich.
I
So that
mean,
I
I'm
can go
Jesus,
and die.
you're very wicked.
Please, I'm not this wicked real life.
Invest something that will make me rich, and with her on that. Do you know why? No, the thing is that if you invest something that can make you rich, you have enough money to help people. You don't have to end world hunger on your own. You can still do something like that will benefit people, but please let me be rich first before I can help
And
people.
seriously,
You understand?
We human beings, we are very ungrateful. You can help the whole world and still they will still hate you. Let me be rich and happy.
Especially village people.
Especially village people.
Village people are really suffer.
I swear. Everything you blame it on village people.
Okay. So number 23 says sleep in PJs or nude.
Ooh, nude.
PJs, please.
Really? If I hear pants all the way.
PJs. Okay, I'll say PJs because of the whole sleeping in cold thing, waking up like cold and
Yeah, for her.
But if the weather is conducive, please nude.
I swear.
The next one says you know what I was thinking, right?
Yep.
The next one says perfume or body spray. Body spray.
Perfume.
Why I say body spray, it's not like I don't like perfumes, it's because I always forget to spray my perfumes. But once
She has too much.
I have a lot of perfumes, and I just have them stacked up because I don't use them most of the time. I forget. Like once I'm out of the bathroom, I cream my body, I use my deodorant, I use my body spray. Once I dress up, I don't remember to go back to spray perfume when I'm about leaving the house. That's why. So I'd say body sprays. You perfumes.
Perfume.
Number 25 says attend Hogwarts or Xavier School. Xavier X-Men.
Oh.
Hogwarts!
Hogwarts.
Hogwarts! Huggy Wuggy Hogwarts! Teach us something, please! Harry Potter! Yes, I want to just like fly on a broomstick and play Quidditch, and then the moving staircases and everything. We are a Harry Potter loving family.
We definitely are.
Yeah. Number 26 says 6 sons or 6 daughters.
Oh my God, daughters, please.
How do you
6
know?
daughters.
6 daughters. I was thinking the same thing. What?
I don't have the energy for 6 boys.
How do you know that's what I was about?
Oh
I'm like,
God.
I feel like 6 boys will drain my energy. I'll be
swear
looking
down.
old and haggard and angry.
Wear down. And plus, when you have 6 daughters, there's bride price, there's omugo, there's a lot of benefits.
Girls will take care of you. I can do girly stuff with my girls. You know, we can look good and keep together. And like, and I won't be doing the cooking in the house because I have 6 slaves.
Abio.
6 daughters.
You said slaves. We all heard you.
You know what I mean? Oh my god. Okay, number 27 says $1 million Instagram followers or $100,000.
If I had something doing on Instagram like a business, I would say $1 million. But if I don't, please, $100,000.
I really don't know. This question is confusing.
It really
As an
is.
influencer, $1 million Instagram followers will definitely translate to money.
Yes.
As an influencer. 1 million followers, please. You know I want 1 million followers. I think it will just eventually translate to money. So let's do the 1 million followers. This one, Be friends with Donald Trump or Kim Kardashian.
Please.
Kim Kardashian. Yeah,
Donald
me
Trump.
too.
For what?
I don't know what Donald Trump can do for me. But
No.
Kim Kardashian can do stuff for me. It's the truth. I feel like Kim Kardashian is one of the pioneers in this influencing thing. So if I'm friends with Kim, it's going to definitely make an impact in my life and my career as a whole. Okay, so number 29 says homeless or in jail.
Oh boy. I think
Jail.
homeless.
I'd rather be in jail.
But
But not Nigerian jail, though. Jail in their blood.
Exactly. If it's jail in their blood, of course, jail.
Jail in their blood. Where you have one room to yourself and they're feeding you money afternoon and night.
You can,
What are we talking
can
about?
send you things.
Some of the jails abroad are better than some people's homes here in Nigeria.
I swear
did say
down.
that. But you guys know what I mean, like. Okay, so the last question. This is so fun. I don't want it to end.
Me too.
You guys see, you didn't know what to come. When I told her, I wish they should do today, she was like, I'm like, Ollie, now you promised. Like, I'm tired. After she started to me, I'm sleepy. After she had done her makeup and everything. Okay, she didn't do makeup. But after she had like gotten ready, she was like, I'm sleepy. I'm like, this girl, you're not serious. You must do this video today. Now you don't want it to end. We'll do another challenge. So
Yes.
So the last question says cake or chocolate?
Chocolatey goodness.
Chocolate too.
Anytime, any day.
Yeah, chocolate.
It is proven that chocolate makes you happy.
Yeah, can lift your mood. So this is the end of our this or that. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section about the answers that we gave.
Yeah.
And if you guys want to see her again, don't forget to also comment that in the comment section.
Oh,
Tell her a
definitely.
big thank you for coming on my channel. I love you.
I love you too.
You guys, Nepa just took light. I'm ending this video now. It's a wrap. Don't forget to subscribe and bye.